Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, I want you to listen to this conversation that we had with this caller. A man from Seaview Gardens by the name of Japping, and he lives in the United States of America. And yes, he's from Phase 1 in Seaview Gardens. That's over by Shabarang's Bounty Killer side. And if you are familiar with Seaview Gardens and you know the different phases, you know the majority of Seaview Gardens are PNP criminal organization communities. It's just only really Falcon that really stands out, and Falcon is right beside the police station, and in which they say that it's a labourers community. That's the only part in Seaview that is a labourers community. So I want you to listen to this, man. We have a conversation, and it goes to show you that it's not every PNP supporters and activists support violence, but some of them really ignore their consciences, and some will tell you straight up, the difference between wrong and right, while others they ride with the wrong and defend the wrong. So I want you to listen to this, man, and you're gonna learn a lot of things. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Afternoon, boss, man. Afternoon. Glad to your call. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, man, I get a message, man.
Yeah, man. Boss, I don't know if you see what me I see still. I don't know if you see what me I see. I like a program in a bossy. But sometimes the man feel that's easy for the politics, man, and just deal with the vlog, man. I like the man program in a...
Repeat that.
I say, I like your program. I watch your program all the time. You know what I say? I watch your program all the time, bossy.
Yeah.
But sometimes the man, you're there on a topic and you're in it and you just go, the topic on the politics, you make the politics just steer away from your topic more time, bossy.
What kind?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, I listen, man.
Yeah, man, that's all me I say, brother. I like your program in the boss, but sometimes you get the politics just so caught up in your vlog, So caught up, and I guarantee the boss, it's not me alone I think the same way,
Yeah.
I guarantee it's not me alone I think the same way,
So okay, so let me ask you this now. So
yes, man.
So what's the problem where you have with the politics? Why you not like? Let me ask you this first.
Yes.
Am I lying about anything when it comes to politics?
No, alright.
Okay.
I don't know. Listen, I don't know if 100% if you're lying or not. I cannot say that. I'm not going to call you a liar.
No. May I ask if I'm lying about anything?
Bossy, listen me. I cannot be sure because I don't know. I cannot be sure.
I mean you don't know.
If you're lying about what you're saying. Bossy, some of the things you're saying are some of the people I don't know, bossy. I'm not in a politics, I'm not mixing with politics. I don't know. I really don't know. I can't say I know that you are lying or not. I cannot say that. I mean, never call the man a liar because I don't know that. But all me I say is just sometimes the man just goes so deep the politics, and like you say, and then you're killing one party. And to me, boss, none of them better,
Really?
Because none of them deal with people right, boss.
No.
None of them treat Jamaica people right,
Yeah, Vita. Let me ask you before we continue the conversation. Where in Jamaica are you from?
Me? Town and country. Seaview Garden and from St. Thomas. Call me town and country, man. I come from Phase 1 of Seaview Garden, boss, and St. Thomas.
Okay, so you come from over where him name you come from over Barfoot side?
Yes, phase 1, phase 1 out here to the seaside. We are going to back the season. That's called
phase 1. Over Shabba them side.
Yes, that's what me come from. I'm from St. Thomas, Marnby, Pastor. I'm a place that too.
Okay, all right. So may I ask you? Is there any lie? Have I told any lies about either political party?
But no, me not say no. But you say I have not called you a liar.
Me never say you call me a liar. Me just ask you. Hey, look here. Me say man, me call a spade, you know. Me no sugarcoat thing for any guy and them thing or anyone. You know what I'm saying?
I respect that.
Yeah, I have to understand. Say everything when you do in life, politics form a part of your life.
See.
How you eat, sleep, and all of these things.
I understand it, boss. I understand that. Trust me.
And before we go any further, how old are you?
Me? I'm 50 now.
Okay, alright, so I'm older than you then and them things. So
yes, that's some case I would not call you a liar some of the things you're talking about. Because
no man,
I wouldn't do that.
But that's a few years older than you and them things. I'm not older than you by like by 10 or 5 years and them things. So I'm just a little bit older than the man. Alright, let me tell you this now. I don't know if you follow the channel and listen from the get-go. The reason why I start this channel. You see, I was born and raised in a PMP community.
See.
You understand? The only way we are going to fix Jamaica, and you see, fix Jamaica is not the little boy. It's not the little boy them who fire a gun. It's not Vibes Cartel them.
No, are the bigger heads them, boss.
Okay, alright, so okay.
We all know that, boss. Are the bigger heads them,
okay.
You know?
Alright, so if you want to change, the tide of the Jamaican culture, you have to go right the root of the problem. So
all the politicians them, the whole of them, boss, the whole of them need a say, man, one party, the two of them, you know. And the two of them need say no, do Jamaica no justice at all, you know. The two of them in a say.
Alright, listen to me now. I'm going to tell you now, so I disagree with you. Big time.
Alright, sir.
And listen to what I say now. Alright, yeah, I say two of them both of them is not the same. Both of them have gunmen, but both of them are not the same. You listen to Politics Watch?
Yes, man!
You hear a Politics Watch tell you about 3 weeks ago about both political parties. What him say about both of them?
Bossy, no better than
me never ask you that. Me never ask you what you think. Me ask you what you heard him said.
Bossy, we can't go back to quote and quote like I said about 3 weeks ago.
You don't have a quote. You don't have a quote and quote and anything. Me ask you what you...
Remind me then. Refresh my memory then. I can't say yes to you, brother. Refresh my memory then.
So you don't remember what him said about the Klansman gang and one other?
Yes, man.
What did he say about them?
Say what? Clans are PMP and the one other JLP.
Yes.
I know that much.
Yes. What him say about both of them? What him said? What the contrast him? Because some police in the police force currently, they were a beat him and I say boy the police a target PMP gunmen and all of them thing there. And him come out and start hit back upon the police them and I tell them and I tell the police them say the PMP are the one who are the terrorists in a Spanish town. They are the one who are the terrorists. They are the ones that kill people. And the GLP one other gang was formed out of them because all them are take over people community in Spanish town by killing people and all of these things. So one other was forced. One other is labored. So they were forced to create a gang for defend for them community. So I must say when time the police them attack say the government attacks it pan PMP is lie because they are the problem in a Spanish town and in a Jamaica. They have the most garrison them and they are the one that produce the most criminals. You agree with him? Him say it, you know. I have been saying. No. Look here. I have been saying this like forever because I am from a PMP community, born and raised. Only two of us are alive out of my group. Two. Only one person died from natural cause. everybody else dead from gunshot. Radcliffe, Rose, Stella, everybody.
Boss, you mentioned that the other day for the vlog. Me mentioned, boss, come like the lifestyle we used to live. Me live it a foreign, boss. The lifestyle, like I say, I grow about 50 now as youth, on a car and a 2 hour run alive, and every man get by gunshot, one get him torch slash.
Okay. So me ask, what kind of community you born and raised in? A PMP community?
No, man. You see them things happen to me. A foreign things happen to me, boss, and them Jamaica that I try to show you foreign.
So the man they are foreign or them are Jamaican?
Them are Jamaican, but Jamaican live in a foreign.
Okay, alright. So that's why I ask you which community them come from.
Not for them all over Jamaica. They was all over country, town, different places.
All them are you say you and them grew up together and them thing. They say, alright. You ever live in a labour community?
Me live in a what part?
Me never ask it. Me ask it, man.
Not directly in a labour community, but me live in a community with a mixture of everybody.
Me never talk about mixture. Me ask if you ever live in a labour community.
No, boss, not direct community. You are labour.
Okay, alright. No. So let me tell you this now. 98% of the people them in a prison in Jamaica for murder and all, 98% of them come from PMP community, PMP criminal organization community, and 2% come from labourite community. Out of every 100 Jamaican youths in our PMP community, 98 out of the 100 is destined for prison. Out of the same 100 in the labourite community, only 2 is destined for prison. Which one of the community and the philosophy them is better for if you have a youth at Jamaica?
Well, like you say, the PMP and the Labour.
No, me never ask you that. No, we not talk about it. Me just ask you. A stats we are dealing with facts. Which one of the community them would be the best community for you raise your son in a Jamaica?
Well, to the stats you're giving me now, we say a Labour community. To the stats you're giving me.
Sure. All right. Can you name one Labourite gang leader or done in a Jamaica prison right now?
Well, I say
yes or no?
No, because boss, I not really keep up with the politics.
Me not talk about keep up with the politics and them things.
No, right.
All right. Hold on, man. Yeah, we're not talking about feelings, you know. We're talking about facts. All right, you have Zeke's in a prison, right?
Yeah.
You have Tesha Miller in a prison, right?
Yeah.
You have Black Man in a prison, right?
Yeah.
You have Ninja Man in a prison, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have Joel and them in a prison. You ever hear about Joel and them?
Yeah, me hear the name already. I said the whole of them and the PMP party them related to.
All of them. Not one labourite I mentioned in that. So what that show you say? Who are producing criminal in Jamaica?
I hear bossy. I hear they say the PMP party of all the criminal.
Alright, look here now. Let me ask you now. In the Kingston metropolitan area, you say you used to live at Seaview and them thing there. In the Kingston metropolitan area, majority of the crime infested community them where people are kill each other. And normally what kind of community? It's just the other day.
A PMP.
Majority of the murder them.
Alright,
the safest.
You teach me some things still, you know. Believe me, you are teach me some things still.
And the philosophy and them thing because you have to understand. So remember, the only thing where the PMP is good for is producing criminals. May I tell you that?
I hear.
And you think I lucky why I am sitting right here? Because of parenting. My mother and my father they me socialize with the same youth that me and them even when we live at Waterford. And then me end up and go back to jungle and them thing there.
See it.
So you see, so when so don't follow people and them I tell us boy say both of them are the same. Both of them are not the same. And me can't give you so much so many examples why they are not the same. You ever hear?
Boss, me you talk all the time. You talk and me going all the time.
No, because look here, a criminality me you want to get rid out of Jamaica. You know? Alright, look.
Boss, me too, I feel the same about Jamaica and I'm vexed on my country. My country gone to, you know. I'm vexed, you know, boss.
Alright, you feel the same, yeah? All right.
Yes, I am.
Okay, but look here. If you feel the same way, you have your party where you support, you the voters, the PMP supporters and activists, is you have to demand change from the government, from the party. We no demand change because we no love it. We no love it.
You say me a PMP, no, I never tell you me a PMP.
No, okay, all right.
I don't deal with none of them bosses.
No, man, you don't look here.
None of them party, them.
No, look, hey, look here. Let me tell. No, listen to me on them thing there. I may tell you this now on them thing there. Whether or not you want, sometimes we try to hide from the truth on them thing there. But whether or not you want to believe, you see from base one where you say on them thing there, we don't know you because you ashamed my party because they pay criminal them produce.
Listen, me now. Me just me say no boss. Sometimes I say me listen to the man flag, but like I say, you not going on a topic and you just gone in a politics. And
no man, then a politics. Hey, look here. All right, look here. Between me and you know. All right, you see the two. Look on the two down them. Look on the two down them were dead. Where police kill Papa and Termite. You see the funeral where them get?
Yeah, man, I see it, man.
Okay, all right. So what are they telling the youths in their community? I see. I see
everything you are saying. I agree with it. Let me tell you, if I'm not saying everything on your blog, I say everything we have done out. I agree with it. Like I'm not love what go on in my country.
Then
I like it. I agree with everything you say, boss. I'm not fight for nothing you have to say.
No, I never say I fight and them thing. All right. So look here now. If you notice the Baby Trump golden. You see last year Labor Day, you see who he was marching with from my community go down Anatown?
No.
You never see the video?
I see it, no, I don't think I see that. I don't think.
You ever hear about George Pang?
Yeah, man.
What you know about tell me what you hear about George Pang?
Yeah, my wife come from jungle, so I'm there jungle regularly, you know, because my wife come from jungle, top jungle, you know. So when I'm there Jamaica, I go Jamaica, I go visit jungle all it still, you know what I say?
You talk about Pushpa Willie, I know them call it top jungle, I know the jungle.
Yeah, you know, that's where my wife come from still, you know.
What you hear about George Pang? Yeah.
They hear good and bad, you know. Tell the truth, they hear good things, they hear bad things. But me know say, you know, me know the dance shit go.
Alright,
so go to Jamaica.
Alright, so look here.
So look here. Them do good and bad.
So look here, let me ask you this now. So when you have a person who wants to become prime minister, marching with a man who's a known murderer. Me not even talk about George Pang, I talk about one boy named Danville Palmer. They want to start the war. We come from prison and start the war with a boy named Blackie Boy. Whether in New York, and Blackie Boy deported and he come back in America illegally. Up there, he sell drugs. Him there with a policeman, with an officer, a gazette officer in a police force. And you see the opposition leader, the day when everybody do all kind of project in their community, he was there marching with this boy, this murderer boy. Say my march a peace, but where's and them have illegal gun and him. So that's the person where you want to lead the country.
I say, but that's why I say I better Jamaica.
No, may I ask if that type of person you want.
That's not a good look.
Thank you. That's not a good example. Thank you.
That's a good look.
All right.
That's a good look.
So you know where that came from though. And Michael Manley that come from, you know.
See it.
Michael Manley, you have two men from my community, one named Burry Boy and Fedamap, known murderer.
Yeah, man, I know, man.
And Michael Manley put both men on a pedestal. The murderer, and them people that go to Kingston, Central Kingston, which part, you remember brother when you Ralph Brown?
So brother, the boss said, that's why I can say none of them are better.
No. I keep. What you mean none of them are better? Hold on, wait, let me ask you. Let
me say something 1 minute. Let me let you back in. Let me say something. You see, when you talk about, like you say, Michael and them command there, it's just like, we don't look like Siaga with Jim Brown in Tivoli, you know. I see when I look on it too, you know, but I'm saying none of them party no better because the two of them mix up.
No.
The two of them mix up,
Alright, no.
The two of them mix up.
No, I'm educate you now. Me like what you say them thing there. That's why I'm telling you say you're a PMP, you know. But you know what I say. Hey, look here. Hey, look here. Hey, but look here. Between me and them thing, I'm gonna say it already and me say it again. I don't have one labor right friend, you know. I say one labor right friend. Me nah. You see, like how you know, other people who have link with Darrell Vaz and all. Me nah have no link with no labor right. All of my friends them are PMP. So that's why I was able to know say Mark Golding born in Jamaica. A PMP tell me that. You understand? PMP I just them deal for change and denounce criminality. Alright, so you are say both of them I see and you talk about Jim Brown and them thing there. Alright. So listen to me now. I may show you now the difference between Siaga and Michael Manley. Siaga. Alright. Michael Manley sent close to 2,500 young men to Cuba to train in guerrilla warfare, use of firearm, making and detonating of bombs.
Yeah.
Edward Siaga sent 0. The men that Michael Manley sent to Cuba to train. These men weren't sold. Let's listen to me I say now. Edward Michael Manley sent all of these men to Cuba to train. When these men return, they unleash what they have learned in Cuba and the Jamaican population against people who they believe support the Jamaica Labour Party. Edward Siaga never sent 0 young men to any country to train and return to Jamaica to terrorize the Jamaican people them. So who are the better person? Which one of them mean? No, me not ask about it. No, me not ask him. So which one of them I bad? Which one of them I bad person? Which one of them? No. You see me I tell you. No. You see. No. All Jamaica will get better until you don't know if you speak the truth. A man will send 0 people, 0 young men to another country to train to come back and terrorize its own citizen, neighbors, friends. Yeah, and the man has sent 2,500 people to create this division.
I will not agree that, boss. I will not agree that. I will not agree that. Like I said, become used because you want people. I can't agree that.
That is what Michael Manley did. You see all of the empty building you see on Spanish Town, who you think burn them out? You think a Labour right do it? A PMP do it?
Same. We take over.
Okay. Who you think kill the people them at eventide? You think I man them from Tivoli?
Hold
on. You listen to one of the men who involved in killing eventide people. One of his son, and one of murderer them. A man in here, Lenky Rice, son. You listen to him?
Yeah, Lenky Rice. Yeah, me you the name now, but I don't think me listen to the brother where you want to.
Oh, him son. Okay. Him son. He dep on the channel. Him son named Dwayne Douglas. Him come out and I say, boy, his father wasn't there, and he must say, he's the next man who dead when him Tony Wells. Say Tony Wells operation and him father never dep on it, which is lie. Tony Wells involved in it, but his father. His father the same man I tell you about now, because the next part where them come from like me in a concrete jungle. Them live a curry party and me live a Scarface party. You understand? So it's just that me never mix or dissolve, me mix up with the corals in the man thing as much as me live there. I see a man, film father, I see a man who shot Bob Marley to our next brother named Joe Brown, and them go with Tony Wells. Don't forget to go here say I liberate shoot Bob Marley.
Listen, me just know say politics. Me never.
No, me not talk. No. Me not talk about it. Me not talk about that. Me say if you never hear that growing up in Jamaica, say yes.
No. You know, I never hear that growing up in Jamaica. As a youth, me live Jamaica kind of young, but goes back and forward as a youth. You know what I say? What age
you leave Jamaica?
I'll say I leave Jamaica from about 12. Me left Jamaica, you know. But back and forth as a youth. I love Jamaica. I come from Jamaica June and I go back to Jamaica Thursday again. And that matches so I love my country.
You love Jamaica from your 12 and your accents are still deep.
Me know bossy, me love the country, you know, me tell you, me just go Jamaica.
So what school you attend in America if you come here at 12?
At 12, Mount Vernon, I come live at Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon High School, bossy. Mount Vernon.
Okay.
Yeah, I drop right on the ball between Mount Vernon and Bronx. If you know too far the first era.
Yeah, man, me know New York, man. Me from, you understand what I'm saying?
You know, uptown last up on the 2 train, I feel my place that. That's my place. See, and like I said, you know, the action did can get say, so me come at you, me drop wrong, well up on yard, man. Yes, so that's why I still have my accent.
And most of the criminal them from here, which part of them support?
Like, you are in line me today, you know, say, PMP produce a lot of criminal. Man, see, you're teaching me a lot today, me, I make you know that. You're teaching me a lot.
Alright, may I tell you this now? I'm not sure you say both. So you see why I tell you say both of them are the same. Edward Tiago never send one Jamaican. You see Clyde them up and Jim Brown them. They were forced to do what them do to protect them community. If they never do it, the PMP them would have overrun it. You understand? Just like how them do down a Rima and them thing there. A Rima people them have to stand up. I'll Tony Spalding go down a Rima with soldier and police and a chode people out of house and all them thing there. And a one man detect them on and them thing. You understand? Man with illegal gun.
Hey, bossy, all them accent deep, me can switch in a minute now. I'll make you know what about me still, you know?
Yeah, man.
All them deep, me can switch in a minute still to a perfect English accent, you know?
Alright.
Yeah,
I'm not sure. Alright. You remember last year, September, when them burn out the people them over Gregory Park?
Yes.
And kill Sweeney and the youth and him rum punch?
Yes, I did hear about it, boss. Yes, I remember about the story.
I don't know these people, you know, but them name etching in my memory. You know the reason why? Because how they were killed.
See,
yes.
Brutal business.
Yes, and it reminded me just like how what happened in the 70s. And that's how I found out that Mark Golding is not a Jamaican. People in a PMP party call me and tell me, man put him name, man, and the person put him name, him head on the block and tell me say, him no born a Jamaica, and you understand? Anything else?
Just come a Jamaica with him family and have a little bit.
Him no born a Jamaica. That's all the person tell me. And I am the one who told the Jamaican people that this man is a foreigner. Mark Golding. Him is not a Jamaican. And because of that, if you notice since then, you notice you don't have no more political violence. Because him in a really ugly, you know. And I tell all the youth them in my community about say boy, them have to step it up.
Well, I'm tired, boss. I'm with you, man. I'm tired of Jamaica. I'm tired to see it Jamaica, you know. I'm tired of it, you know. Well, boss, me tell the man, I just show me grow rough and tough, so you know, that's me no run to come a yard and do road and they see me and they jungle and they something. It's the way me grow, bossy. And the way me grow rough, you know. I say I'm tough.
That now go protect you from the old corrosion them down there.
Me know, boss, but if it's true, like you say, like me or you talk, you know, afraid of nobody or something.
No, sir, no, I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid of people, you know. I'm in a walk, I look up at my shoulder, you know.
I'm not afraid of no guy, man. I want life, me have an empty thing there now. I tell a guy an empty thing.
I say something to you, these are you, me not trouble people.
Yeah, if you step towards me and thing there, you have to just prepare for the consequences, you know.
Alright, boss, me you talk, me like you, me not start trouble, but me will finish it.
Yeah, man.
I don't start you, but I will finish it. That's how me stay.
I'm not afraid of no guy and them thing there, you understand?
Alright, that's why I go Jamaica regular, man, you know? I'm gonna look over my shoulder, boss. I'm gonna look over my shoulder.
Well, like me now, I don't take anything for granted. Because I know me have enemies. Me know so me have all kind of enemies. Me have police. me have police. Me have all police.
You're the man, man. You're the man, man.
Me have all police enemy. Me I tell you that. You understand?
You're the man, man. So no people like the man too. But like I said, the man that speak the truth. So people are gonna like when you speak the truth, you know.
Yeah, man.
People not gonna like it. You know what I'm saying?
Me have all police enemy, man. Me understand what I'm saying. So I just saw it go. You know?
I just say go, boss. If people not gonna like it for you to deal with truth and right, you know. People not gonna like it, you know. That's life, you know. I'm deal with truth and right, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you another thing when you come on to say both of them are the same. And just listen to me. You say you left Jamaica from you're 12 and you're back and forth and them things. Some more or less the man don't even know that much about Jamaican culture and them things when they come on to criminality. You know, you know if any you know if any judge been killing Jamaica, murder, them killing the judge in Jamaica.
Judge?
Yes.
No.
All right, so when you were 13, them kill a judge named Derek Hugh in 1987, in October 1987, October 1987.
Okay.
And it was three men and a policeman, a known PMP criminal organization policeman. Macmillan kick him out of the police force. And this was a man who used to die East Kingston. My criminal. Police boy, my criminal. Macmillan kick him out. My PMP police. Country come from, you know. Country boy. Come from Hanover. Come a town, and then Kingston, you know, come a town and get himself. Because the man is more PMP than Michael, man. And him carry the men, them go kill the judge. Him drop asleep the night. After him and them kill the judge, one judge named Derek Hugh. One of the men who were involved in the killing, him named Luke Campbell. Police kill him down at Pegasus, down a Peter Metro. Always down a Peter Metro place that down in a jungle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Him named Luke Campbell. Before Luke Campbell die, before the police them kill him, the woman who in stay with and all them things, them tell the woman say Danai Williams. May I tell you, repeat what I tell, because jungle me come from. Say Danai Williams. Yeah. Danai Williams send them go kill the judge. The same policeman, same PMP policeman, him carry Luke go drop him off at Pegasus, a concrete jungle, down a Peter Metro place, down a Pegasus. And him same one carry police go down here and them kill him.
The boss like he's original junglist. You probably know my wife, her father, uncle, them thing. If it's original junglist, you know, you probably know them thing, you know. Yeah, man.
So the thing is that now you can well, you're saying I go to Jamaica, but there was no other time in Jamaica where them kill a judge. So I PMP them. Yes.
Yeah, I never hear about that before.
Okay, so well, a PMP did that. Never. PMP kill a man named Ted Ogilvy. May I show you say PMP is not a political, is a criminal organization. You remember Jad Flash and Tony Brown? You ever hear about them? Okay, did you know that when they returned to Jamaica, did you know that they have a Heroes party for them out by East Kingston?
I said the PMP party is not right at all.
You know, me ask if you ever okay, alright. And guess who pay for the guess whose money pay for the party there?
It's a Michael?
No man, Michael Manley dead them. Michael Manley, he never dead yet. Michael Manley was still around.
Oh, okay.
Jamaican people tax money pay for party for two murderer for Jad Flash and Tony Brown. And guess where Jad Flash was working after that? Guess?
Where?
Out of Prime Minister office, PJ Patterson office.
Yeah,
he was like a messenger, him have a bike. Officer the Prime Minister, murderer. So she said, okay, so PMP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization.
See, boss, yeah.
Yeah.
I understand
if we want back Jamaica and them thing, we have to stop think about colour and think about decency. You understand?
Of course, decency, yeah.
You ever hear the PMP come out and say them support the police?
No, not really.
No, really. Look here. Listen to me. No, really is in between yes or no. You can't be both. It's either yes or no.
See, I never really hear them politicians come out and say yeah, police.
No. What you just say a bad statement.
It's a bad statement.
Yeah.
When me say me don't know, I'm not sure.
All right.
Is that a good answer?
Yeah. Last week when the police them killed the man them down at Negril, you hear the Prime Minister come out and praise the police?
Yes, man. You hear that?
Okay.
Man.
You hear the opposition leader say anything?
You hear that, man? No, I never hear. No.
Okay. You know what the opposition leader do down at Westmoreland?
I want the National Party opposite leader. I don't even know last time I know was Portia. Is she still? I don't even know why I'm going in the politics. I don't know who's the PMP opposition party leader. I don't even know who.
The big belly white man from England, man.
You see, I don't even know who the last person I know was Portia.
Well, look here. Well, at the same man, I give Jamaican them $100 for march against the Jamaican flag in New York. You don't know about it. You don't know about it.
Me know about the march. Me even know about the march at New York, man.
So like how you update. So you never collect no $100 on the march.
Bossy, you know, tell them I don't mix it. That's cool, bossy, but I don't mix it with the politics thing, man.
All right. So when the same PMP them, the PMP supported them in America marks against the Jamaican flag. The Jamaican flag is not represent the Jamaica Labour Party. It represent Jamaica.
We represent the country and
all right. So when they are marching against the Jamaican flag, that show that they are traitors.
A joke thing. Like I said, the flag is for everybody. One country.
Okay. Well, them the see it as them. In case you don't know them thing there. You ever a PMP tell you say boy them are Jamaican. When them always tell you say them are first one. Them are PMP first. Them are PMP second, and them are comrade. You ever hear them say them are Jamaican?
Hey, bossy, you better you say you mean mix up in the politics, they run a body like that, a preach and politics to me, brother. They tell the truth, bossy. Well, they run a body like that, pre-politics to me, nobody can preach it to me,
It destroy our country and them thing there, that philosophy and this anti-social behavior. If you see, if a black man see himself in another black man, you won't kill an ex-black man. You understand?
Exactly, that's true.
Because if you love yourself, you're gonna love another person. But if you don't love yourself, you can't love another person. Because you don't see yourself in another person. Because you're gonna see
you can love yourself first before you can love our next man,
Alright, that I think with the PMP. Alright, look what going right now in a Jonestown and Craigtown. With Rick Dick and this brother when he guess. The two of them in a friend. I know the two of them are kill off each other, kill them own family. Rick Dick him a female mother was sick and she get bedridden and them thing there. You understand? And I tell you, you don't know.
Well, boss, I support I don't like. I want to see a better Jamaica just like the man I am. I want to see it. If people want to see a better Jamaica,
Yeah, but if you want a better Jamaica, you can't be biased. You have to take off your PMP criminal organization and denounce it.
Well, I love you stop loving your PMP,
Then, Bridget, no, but look here. If they are the one that destroying the country and encouraging people to, did you know that the PMP have a human rights group which is to protect PMP criminal?
Yeah, but you talk about it. I didn't know you mentioned it.
Alright, so you never know Jamaican for Justice is a part of a PMP criminal organization.
Okay, bossy, I love to learn for you and listen to you now.
Alright, you see Jamaican for Justice and the National Integrity Agency with Trevor Manu a part of the PMP, Just look on the face.
You talk about the same fist then
but most Jamaican them don't even understand that. Did you know that during the Tivoli incursion with the police and all of them thing and the soldier, did you know that the Jamaican for Justice ever cry say a murder was going on there? Because the labor them are dead. If I did PMP a different thing. Yeah. So you know say
that jump out and ball out.
Yes. But look here.
Me see what you say.
Them not love Jamaica and them thing there. All them care about is power and them not love poor people. Them not encourage black people. Them not encourage black people to love each other. You understand? And see this big belly white man now. Him want to turn Jamaica to burn. Him want to burn down Jamaica and roll over ashes. Because him not come from Jamaica. But yet still the same Jamaican people them will tell us say, oh, them not business about that because that may I tell you most PMP criminal organization supporters and activists them can't think. They must think along party line. Them see it as a sport. They must say like how people in America we can think. Some people and everybody, because you know say have a segment of the American population dumb. Yeah. Them even dumber than our people and them thing there.
Yeah man.
Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? So the only way we are going to change Jamaica, we have to make certain up to now you cannot show, nobody can show a photograph with the Prime Minister with no murderer, a march from Toil, Gamal Road and them thing there. But you see Mark Bowling do it. I legitimize criminality and I talk about boy peace. What kind of peace? What? A illegal gun, the man them have them for an illegal gun. When you as the opposition leader say boy you in waiting to be prime minister. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you're doing on them thing that you give credence to criminality. You understand?
One question I ask, but the man seems to warm in more in line than me still.
Yes.
Then this Rasta party where one come in the third party. What do you think about that? You don't know nothing about that, brother.
That not go nowhere on them thing. Jamaica is culture true tribe, PMP and Labour right.
Labour right.
Yeah. The last person who tried and try make a little inward was Bruce Gold with NDM, and that never gone away. All the NDM did was took away the vote from the Labour Party. That's why we have the PMP in a government for 18 years. Because of one man obsession and could not wait to be Prime Minister Bruce Golding, and he ended up having to return back to the same party. He returned to the same party not because he want to, but because that's the only way he could see him way to become Prime Minister.
Just because they want to come Prime
Minister. Yes, and then buy vote, them corrupt the people them in a Labour right party, buy vote, and I buy vote and become a leader for the party, and end up having to resign in a disgrace. So until you get things and you don't get it right, just like how Mark Golding buy vote at Portmore, for PMP, and I saw him beat Lisa Anna. You one brother were all drugs dealer when him be on the channel to one of them thing that me and him in attack and him spill all of the bean. That I see him PMP them and them see one kill the brother when him Tyson, Figure the other PMP, the drug dealer, the convicted drug dealer when they deport to Jamaica. The seat.
As they are talking about buy vote in a boss, you see my place up on St. Thomas there, Marandale.
Yeah.
When last election in the Labour Party, you have hundreds of people that talk about the Labour Party come around and buy people voting in my place in here. $5,000 voting here. Buy come around and buy the people and voting here. And other people in my place have big old and young talk about it. Well, come on, the last election in my place here, St. Thomas here, come buy vote.
Well, because the people they are not patriots, them licky. And guess what? I heard Juliet Oldness and the woman named Juliet Cuthbert said that the people them and even Malafoot said the people in Labour them said them want money for vote. All them reach a point there. I mean no one time me I go and them think that my mother and my father vote and nobody never give them nothing and they never look for anything. So that's how we reach licky. So you see the licky thing. And where you think that come from? Because Edward Siaga, you can't get Siaga money in there for work feet.
See.
Labour right now give nothing. A PMP is the one that culture the people them in a licky business and beggy and bad mind. And the capture land and them thing there.
Well, we need to purge some people, boss, like you. So we need to purge Jamaica, these politicians there. Let's purge them here.
Yeah,
we need a purge. It's like we need a serious purge here.
Yep, that's true.
Yeah, we need a purge. We'll start fresh.
We
need a purge here. So only way we get back Jamaica, like I said, we need a purge here and start fresh back over here,
Yeah, I agree with you,
Yeah, man, I see the change at Jamaica. I see the change here.
Well, the first change we have to change with self and them thing there and denounce criminality.
Yes, sir.
You see like how all Termite and Papa them get police coverage for them funeral. Like me, when I was a police and a detective and them thing there, that would not happen because guess what? The people them that going to do these funerals, would have make certain boy every vehicle is searched before them reach. During the funeral procession and search a gun and all of them things, the man wanted him to come off and thing there. And the reason why you do that, you don't provide no security for them. That's if them rival want to kill them kill them.
Lord, them should have no police escort and go through.
Alright, and look here now. You see when them go to this funeral and people and the rival kill them, you see the next Dan were dead. People now go on for go because them want for things say, you think me want nobody go kill me? Alright.
Yes, so that's how you take
away the celebration from them.
True, I am.
Yeah.
I never like that at all, I say, brother. I never agree with that they have police, this and that and rare, you know?
Alright, so
and then hear Sir Peter about the little brother from Augustine where he get killed and
Papa.
them say him couldn't have no fear, them couldn't have no fear.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. You thought Nigel Walford.
Yeah, I said the man couldn't get no funeral and security police, it's free of this and that.
Alright, thank you. So alright.
This is not right here, you know?
Well, alright. So you see both Papa and Termite funeral as like state funeral, don't it?
Yes, I am.
Alright, so you know say what?
To I-81 south, then keep
So you don't know say a man contact me and say boy, and say me's a propagandist, and I say boy, I true say me a labor right, that's why me I say a state funeral. So are you a say Sir P say it, you know? So me no know, so what them I say sir, I'll do with them now, them all along, you know. Should not offend nobody and them thing there. As when you say, you know just want people for vlog entertainment. Me no entertainment thing, I change, me want to change minds and me want to change Jamaica. And that me want to do. Me want the people them to start think. If
I support you, I tell them I support you, I support what the man's doing. I say, I want to see a better Jamaica.
Yeah, man. You understand what I'm saying? And the only way we are going to better Jamaica, we denounce criminality. We don't want them around with. Period. That's why if you notice the introduction.
To I-81 south, then keep right.
Boss, me that truck driver every year something I talk.
Yeah, man, me hear the GPS, man.
Yeah, me drive truck state to state, still, you know? And boss, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Plus, me have two police soup in my family when I go to Jamaica, I go link them and guard them,
yeah.
Me have two, you know? You see the man who police, the soup for Port Maria police station.
Yeah.
That's my family, my cousin, but we're very close, you know?
Yeah.
See him? You ever hear about Miss Jeffrey before?
No, I never hear about her.
Alright. A big soup in that town still, you know? Family that's still, you know? Family at Jeffrey still, you know?
Yeah.
So I have law enforcement in my family, so that man me respect.
Oh, you have law enforcement? Oh, okay.
Yes, brother. I have two active police soup in my family right now in Jamaica. Two active.
Yeah.
Two active police.
You know, I love that one. But you know, some of our police, them are PMP criminal organization, suppose. Because enough of them are thief, you know. Enough of them are thief, you know. I tell you, you know.
Listen, boss, the time change. Like I said, time change. Like I said, them police is like, they're not going to serve and put them going to see what them can get.
No, man, them are thief.
Not true, man.
You put it too nice. And them thing, them are thief, man. Yeah, man, I mean.
We hear stories, man. We hear the taxi man them bar all the time.
A thief, them, man.
Them bar all the time, you know?
A thief, them,
man. We hear it, man. We hear it, We hear no man say them stop running taxi because a police on the road.
Man. Thief, them, you know.
Yeah, I say, man, I hear the stories in Basel. I say, there's a man, my back and forth, you know? I love my country. Let me say, I was there in January for 2 weeks. I was there in June for 7 days. I go back a year Thursday I come. So I say I love my country. And I say, and December I go back for Christmas and New Year's. I say I love home. And I say, yeah, man, I love go home because the man say, I tell my friend all the time, say, listen, my brother, this time I come to Jamaica, it's like I feel it come off of me, off of my shoulders that but I come at the airport, it's like something lift up off of me. Every time I reach Jamaica, it's just like something lift off of me.
Yeah.
I want to reach like it just drop on me. So I love go home, if you just get lighten up, like me go home and get lighten up. Lighten up and reach up. Trust me. So I love go home my yard, that's more in my country, a better country, you know? Yeah, man, let me say, see you in my place.
So you're the on Patreon too?
Yeah, listen, my boss, my debut, man.
No, I'm saying if you're the Jamaica Young Police Patreon.
Yeah, man, my debut, man.
No, I'm saying if you're on Patreon.
Yeah, man. Listen, man, I'm the police thing, man.
No. You know what I mean by Patreon. That's how we
explain. Let me get
Patreon I play some when you get the video when you get a Patreon and I get them on YouTube.
No, you know, so me don't depend on me just listen to the man all the time. Me never
Well,
depend on the pages.
well, if you got in a Patreon now, that way you get some. You will get some intimate details about some real criminals in Jamaica, police and all of them things.
Maryland 65.
Okay, so PHR, what me put my fair?
You have to sign up for it and them thing there. Just like how you sign up, you understand.
Okay, so me have to just go on YouTube and type in PHR.
No, it's in the description box. So if you want, I can send you the link. And,
send me the link.
Yeah,
send me the link, boss.
You understand? And I want to tell you, so right now, me send. Right now, me have like a introduction to a book that come out and them thing there. And if you want to learn, you're going to hear me talk with a scholar, a man who served in the military and the police force of Jamaica. And if you had listen to like part 1 and part 2, you know, me put out part 1 and part 2 on YouTube, but the rest is on Patreon. You understand?
Okay.
And you will learn some real. Some things would blow your mind, you understand?
See it. Send me the link there. Send me the link there.
Yeah, man.
Send me the link. I'll definitely check it out.
Hey, look here. Look here, man. Between me and them thing there. For we in Jamaica, all our way, we have to come together as a people, you know what I'm saying? We have to denounce criminality. We no matter which political party. Alright. You know, say I am the only YouTuber who said do this to charge to treason when they return to Jamaica.
See. We don't know that bag of curls and bag of things.
No. I say, if did you know that?
The treason. Give me the reason why, boss.
Yeah,
so you never get so far as to chart the treason. Give me the reason.
No, but it is there on the channel, man.
The things we do.
Yes, man. So you never. I am the only YouTuber that said that do this to charge of treason.
Like I said, a whole heap of things come down at table there. A whole heap of things.
Yeah, man. I said that do this to charge of treason.
All heap of things, you know. So far, I look to see if he might come back out still, you know. I say,
him soon come out, man.
See. Now what can I say? I have to see if, like I said, I have to see if he believe if him touch back road, you know. Can I look for years some team in a jail, you know?
No, I'm team on them team. I want to tell you between me and him. Them treat him like God. Them treat him like him soon come out. Well, where is that now? You know, he's not at any point. Where them have him in a prison. Him not no security and them thing. Minimal security.
Him still in Brooklyn. I'm in Brooklyn. Not in my world, you know.
No, man. Him not Brooklyn. Him that thing there. Where you call it? Him that where place and him that New Jersey. Near to Fort Dix, near to the military base.
Okay, I know them Brooklyn at one time. I don't move still.
You understand?
Yeah, but like I said, let me see if he walk out, you know?
Well, he might walk out, and anytime now he can come out because him save a policeman life.
To I-70 West.
But I say, one day if him come out, if him peace, I see him Jamaica will come because them youth and nobody is war and not take no talk from nobody, you know.
Well, I feel him son control on a Tivoli garden and them thing there.
Okay. I mean, I tell them youth nowadays, they really take no talk here. Them youth are different nowadays, and true, like I said, every youth of Jamaica have a gun now, so they not take no talk from nobody, you know.
Well, them
nobody. You know, the youth go crazy, you know. Every youth, they never want buy food to eat. They might put on the money for to buy a gun.
Yeah, man.
So the youth might think of Jamaica, you know.
That's true, man. But me I go say anything when I say do this to charge when I say do this to charge with treason.
See.
Yeah,
me send to my boss, big up for the call again and thank you for your time.
Yeah, man, me say that, man. Yeah, man, I send it the thing for the Patreon and them thing there. And yeah, I'm enjoying the conversation with you and them thing there. You understand?
Yes, man, me enjoy the conversation, Thomas. A good conversation because the man leave my back still, you know.
Yeah, well, I say go on them thing there because hey, look here, we never you know, so we are the only channel and them thing there. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, the only channel where you can call and have a conversation with.
See it.
Because we not hide from nobody and them thing there. And if you notice, we not deal with, and well, you get a little joke now and then and them thing there. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hey, boy, this man, you remember last year when you said look like a cartel, look like a frog. You remember last this man in the field right there? You remember that job and that laugh for you? That's a boss not easy at all.
And then ugly some look like a big rat.
Yes, I am. In daily life, I don't want this man. But that's a lie.
Yeah, man, a lot of people say, boy, them love it, them like it, you know.
Yeah, I love this man, brother. I laugh, man.
Hey, but still for real, cartel like a bullfrog still, you know.
Brother, him look like a walking dead.
Yeah, man.
Walking dead, him look like,
yeah, man. With them two little hand and them two little foot, you know. Because, you understand, a frog legs them that, you know, man.
You see the video people put up where the man look like a reptile,
like lizard, or him say man lizard.
I when you look like him, I said, John, why? Serious thing, the man look good at all,
him sit back, him sit.
I should have never dead boss and let him out. Because everybody said, them know so the smell like a dead, that's why them let him out.
No, him not dead, man. If me not dead, him not drink so much NSC and all of them thing there.
Why, but you better watch out, though. You better watch out.
Well, the only thing,
if you left Jamaica.
Well, that's how I try to work on. The only thing is that my brother name. Cause you know, so right now you have 4 man that bet, you know, who go kill him first, you know.
Me see the thing this man, me see it, man.
Yeah, man, can you believe man I bet who go kill the man first?
Yeah, no, but them lifestyle, you know. And your lifestyle, brother, if you don't live right, all right. Hey, boss, you know so ironic about this brother, yeah? You know so ironic. This brother come out of jail and I tell youths to stop crime and violence, jail not pay. It's too late for that, brother. You should tell you them from day one, brother.
I know some of the video there yet.
Yes, man, the boy I'm just coming and tell people, telling you them so, crime not pay, jail not pay, waste of time and waste of life and all kind of things. I'm doing next video. I talk about tell you so you know the crime thing. I say, look on this brother here.
Well, look here. Well, that's true. Well, it better late than never still. But when I see him, the first thing when him say when him come out of jail, I say I want done. So me no buy what him a say and them thing there, you know.
Aye. Me look at him as joke at work. I say you're a murder mutant when you teach you them. And know that you say to them, you're supposed to teach you them truth and right from day one, You know, say, hey, bossy, it's a lie cartel, you know, when you just come out, but you see, if I'm saying bleach, and from there, so me cut him off, and say, you don't love yourself, brother. If you're black man, you want bleach.
Yeah, you understand.
From there, so me love cartel, if I cut him off bleach, me cut him off, you know. I say, you don't love yourself, man, you don't love black people, man. If I'm black, you want bleach, your skin to look brown or white. No, brother, you don't love yourself. From there, so me treat me love for him, you know.
Yeah.
From them time there, you know, me stop the cartel, you know. Because I don't believe he's a black man, you want bleach your skin. You don't love black people then, brother.
Yeah, man. Low self-esteem, man.
Yes, I am. Black is beauty, brother. You know what I say?
Yeah, man, Marcus Garvey. Hey, so you know read the Marcus Garvey book yet, man? I didn't catch it. I need to jump on it. I need to jump on it, boss. I really do. I need to jump on it, you know? Yeah, man.
I need to jump on it.
Yeah, how much youth you have?
I want to say I 4 youth me have, you know. 4 youth me have. My biggest son, boys are not doing one thing, you know.
Yeah.
My nigga son, he's a lawyer. I tell you about Smith Reed, that company.
Yeah.
My daughter I go to school in a college right now I study for doctor. My last year just graduated high school, was a big football player. If you know Aston in New York, you know, one of the star for the team, play defense, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, 4 years now still, you know? Last year just got to high school. Just tell them to go graduation.
Yeah, man, blessing to you. Blessing, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I respect her, you know? But also, I grow the tough way, I tell you, so, the way me grow, I say, people look at me and tell me, so them surprise me still alive, you know? I say the way me grow. But I tell a man, say, when you're young, you're dumb.
That's true, man.
When you're young, you're dumb. Testosterone, you know, you don't think. I tell myself, your life is a phase. You do certain things at certain age, but you have to move on and learn certain things.
True.
When you get older, you know what I say? When I was young, but you're dumb, bossy. I was dumb, I was a street kid, you know what I say? But as I get older in life and start understand life, certain things like a Lego. Worse, I'm gonna get my first youth. That my first youth, I'm Lego all of things in life. When I get my first youth.
Yeah.
Now this I say, I need to do something because my youth are gonna hear some me dead I'm in the prison. I'm gonna hear about them father.
You know what? You know what?
I never did want that. Yeah, I never did want that. I tell you the truth. I never did want that to my youth. Really, I see my youth them go and every day I kiss them, I love them. I say, I'm glad you don't come from where me come from, you know.
That's true, man. So all of them born up here?
Yes, all them born up here. All them born up here. All of them born up here. You know?
Yeah.
All of them. I see my bigger brother in the CV, you know. Talk to my son, I lie, you know.
Yeah.
I wait and tell my son, and my son called me and say, oh, Daddy, you need to talk to me, man. Because I heard stories, but I never got the full, 100.
Yeah.
I mean, if I dip on the phone for about an hour, I'm up on the phone and my youth and I'm talking. I explained my life, and my son, I shake my head. I said, damn. I'm shaking my head. For me sit down and tell them my life story as a youth.
Yeah, all you grew up on thing.
With no guidance, you know what I say?
I just stay the straight and narrow part.
Yes, so I tell them every day I love how no grow on and grow never have to do with me if you do for survive. You know what I say? I love it and I make sure them alright so they not have to do with me, I have to do for survive, you know?
Yeah.
But me come as a youth back in the days now with no guidance, you know what I say? So I start. When me come a friend, I say, I drop on a block with coke and cracker sell. You have the coke house, you have the crack house. I watch money I make in front of my face. Just I watch money I make. So, as I look at you, I say, Jano, I eat some of that food there. You know, no guidance. You know what I say? So I just my life and like I said, I realize, yo, and I say it again, okay, no, I'm using this, I'm dead, I'm in prison, so I have to do something different. You know?
So you just let it go.
Yeah, man, it's like a certain thing, massive, big time. It's like a something. And when my brother them see me say, give them all my machine and say, yo, I'm different, different life. My brother, so my brother them love me and respect me for that. Because they couldn't do say, yo, me that I say, yo, well, them, I'm done. I'm done, you know? I'm done.
That good, man, you understand?
Yeah,
we always believe in our redemption. Because you see coke and them thing that destroy people life, you know, man.
Yes, man, I say.
Yeah,
man, I see it all, man. I see it all, man.
A wicked thing, man, you know?
If you know 241st, you know me I talk about. If you know 241st, especially back in the days. Back in the 241st, things clean up now. But back in the days, if you know 241st, you know me I talk about.
Yeah.
Trust me. Yeah, man. You know me I talk about it back in the days. Let me say, tell you time you say, yo, things can change from back in the days.
Yeah.
Because I encourage you guys, say, yo, brother, nobody get involved in nothing illegal. Because you say, back in the days, you could have made money illegally. Now you can't do it. They can't make money like back in the days doing illegal things. They cannot. Things change. Yeah, man. I try to preach to you that you go the straight and right way right now. It's not like back in the days. Yeah. Back in the days, things was much, much easier to eat that food illegally. You know what I say? But not no more about the time change there. And I see it for myself. I go to the change and see them, you know? Yeah. Yes, I am. Tell me grew up bigger like myself on the road my life right now, drive truck and them thing, you know what I say? Are you married and thing? Yes, I am. Say it again, boss.
No, I say, are you married and thing?
Yes, man, married and thing, man, and a wife and thing, you know?
Yeah, man, I give thanks, man, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, I am. You know, that's life, man, have to live and learn in a life, you know? Live and learn, and like I said, wise up and do the right thing, because if you have, like I said, when you're looking at yourself and you're looking at certain thing, you say, nah, it's not right.
True, no. Yeah, true.
You just looking at yourself more time, say certain things are right, you have to do something different, you know? That does start to reach as I used to know, say, yo, something have to change. Yeah. Something have to change big time, you know? Yes, boss. I'm glad for the conversation still, you know? Yeah, man, I just say what I'm thinking, my brother. I just one a special name. If you hear japping, I'm going one japping, I mean that, you know? Alright, cool. I do go and take care of yourself for them thing there. I'm sending the link on them thing there, you know? Yes, I see something pop up on my phone. I'm sending you do this thing. Yeah. But the one for the book, for the in-depth thing where you have access to the book the thing and all them something with the scholar and them, with the farmer MIU, man. Over 10 hours on them thing there. I mean, if I send you a different link, so you get for you able to see everything on them something there. Alright, man, manners and respect, man. Manners and respect, you know? Alright, Japping. Blessed love, man. Cool, blessed, boss. Bless up, yeah, man. Alright, yeah. Yeah, so we have come to the end of the conversation with this man, Japping, and I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. One thing we can tell you over here at the Jamaica Young Police channel is that we always tell you the truth. Nothing but the truth.
So help me God, that's all you will get from us. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.